This actually provides perfect camouflage for a tiger. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಬರೋದೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಅಲ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇನ್ನು? ಹಸು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮೇಯಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರಾ? ದಂಡನಾಯಕನ ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದು ಹುಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಹೌದಾ?
ಬೇರೆ ಕನ್ಲಿಕ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿರೋದು.
And his body was found in this trench. And it seems to be a case of man-eating. ಓಹೋ, ಅಬ್ಬಬ್ಬ, ಅದೇ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಯಾರ. On the outset, I don't think there is a easy solution for this. Hello and welcome back, guys. I've been following up on the recent man-animal conflict incidents which took place near Nugu Reservoir, and yesterday I visited a couple of places. One is Badagalpura and another was Mullur and Bennagere, following up on those tiger attacks that happened on humans in those regions. And today, in continuation to that, I'm following up on two other incidents which took place nearby. First one being Kurnegala, where 65-year-old villager named Doddaningaya was attacked and killed by a tiger on 31st October. The next village is Hale Godlu, where a 35-year-old villager, Dandanayaka, was attacked and killed by a tiger on 7th November. So I'm planning to visit these places and try to understand what really happened and also see where those incidents actually took place. So that's the plan for today. Let's get going. We even saw a tiger pug mark in the farm we stayed that morning. We then drove towards Kurnegala. Alright, so we have come to this village of Kurnegala, wherein this incident happened, where Doddaningaya was attacked. A 65-year-old villager was attacked and killed by a tiger on 31st October. So we are trying to locate where that happened, trying to understand what's the story behind it. So we spoke to a villager here and he said he knows the location and he is guiding us to his farm where this incident supposedly happened. I can already see this place is already near the border of the forest. You can see that's all forest over there, and next to that we have cotton plantations. It looks like tigers like to hide in cotton plantations, because even in Badagalpura yesterday I saw that the attack happened near cotton plantations. I think they provide good cover for a tiger to hide. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಲಿ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ, check out the plantations here. For a tiger, it doesn't make much difference. It gives perfect hiding place when you have crops standing this tall. And unknowingly, if you get too close, that is when they can directly pounce on you, and especially when you are alone. This actually provides perfect camouflage for a tiger.
ಸರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಉರಿ ಕಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೇನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಂ ಕಟ್ಟಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾಗ
ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಬರೋದೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಭಾರಿ ಭಯ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಐದಾಳು ಆರಾಮ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ
ಹೌದೌದು.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋದು.
ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದು ಹತ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಇದು ಕಾಟ್, ಇದು ಹತ್ತಿ. Okay, we have come to the border of the forest here.
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಆಗ ಇಟ್ಟಪ್ಪು ಇಡ್ರಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಅವರ?
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮೇಯಿಸ್ತಿರು, ದನಗಳು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊ ಬೇಯಿಸ್ತಿರು.
ಹಸು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮೇಯಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಣೆ ಮೇಯಿಸ್ಕೊಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು.
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾಡಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ? ಹಾಂ,
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದೇ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡದ್ದು. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಇದೇನಿದು, ಇದೇನದು ಹಸು ಕಟ್ಟಾಕಿದ್ರು ಸರಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಸು ಕಟ್ಟಾಕ್ತಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಕಟ್ಟಾಕಿದ್ರು, ಹುಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹುಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹುಲಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಓ, ಇದು ಆ ಹುಲಿ ಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕಟ್ಟಾಕಿದ್ರಾ?
ಕಟ್ಟಾಕಿದ್ದು.
ಅಲ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇನ್ನು?
ಹಾಂ, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಐತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓ, ಮೋಷನ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಯಾರ ಇನ್ನು?
ಅದೇ ಅದು ಹಿಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಹುಲಿನ.
ಹಿಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಹಿಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಿಡ್ದಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ
ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹಿಡ್ದಿಯಾರ ಅಂತಾರೇನೋ?
ಹಿಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸೊ ಇದು ಹಸು ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳಕ್ ಬಂತ ಅಥವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಮೇಯಿಸ್ಕೊ ಬತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆನೆ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೇಯಿಸ್ಕೊ ಬತ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತಿಂದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ ಪಾಟಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಟ್ಟೋಗಿತ್ತು.
ತಿಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡೋಗಿತ್ತು ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ.
ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಿಂಭಾಗ
ಓ,
ಮುಖ ಮೆಟ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಹಸು ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳೋ ಹುಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಹಸು ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳೋದೇ ಅದು ಪಕ್ಕ. ಹಸು
so like you can see, this place is right next to the forest, and seems Doddaningaya was grazing his cattle right here on the border when on 31st October the tiger actually, probably what I feel is, it jumped on the cattle, and when the cattle ran away or something, or Doddaningaya tried to chase away the tiger, it probably jumped on him and killed him immediately. But what's disturbing is, it looks like it took his body and it dragged him into the forest and ate a part of him. That's what the villagers say here. So not sure. I mean, if that happened, then maybe it intended to eat him as well. So not sure if it was actually a man-eater or it was an accidental kill. So the person, unfortunately, he was 65-year-old. He was not able to run away. I mean, even if you are young, I don't think you can outrun a tiger anyway. But yeah, so there were other villagers in this who saw the incident. They ran towards this place. By that time, the tiger had already dragged him into the forest. The forest department have actually installed a camera trap also here. It seems they also had tied a cattle here, but the tiger didn't kill that cattle. I think the forest department mentioned that they have already captured this tiger at some other place, but the villagers, they are not very sure about the tigers. But yeah, you never know, a tiger can travel quite a lot of distance. That's what you see in Bennegere. They captured the tiger quite far away. So yeah, they have the technology, they have drones and all, so they might have pinpointed and captured it. But yeah, the villagers are not very sure, because as long as when the tiger is not captured at the very place, they will always be slightly skeptic to believe that the tiger was really captured. And that camera is still over there. I'm not sure why that is still there. Maybe they still want to track, or maybe they have some benefit of doubt that if they really captured it or not. And one thing's for sure, the villagers in this area, they need to be careful, and they should definitely not come alone to the farms, especially which are bordering the forest. And that's what the villager told me as well. So they are afraid to come visit these farms alone, and they always come with some company. Now, especially after this incident, it's quite risky for them. Such cattle are easy prey for the tigers, and that's what they mainly try to go for. This is tobacco plant. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಲೆಯಿಂದನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಸಿಗರೇಟು ಬೀಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ.
ಇದಂಗೆ ಕೆಜಿನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇದು
ಸರ್? ಇದು ಕೆಜಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕನೇ.
So on the forest fringes they're mainly growing cotton or tobacco. Both offer perfect hideout for a tiger.
ನೋಡಿ ಬಿದಿರು ಏನು ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ,
ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ,
ಇದು ಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಅಂತೂ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹುಲಿ ಬಣ್ಣನೇ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಕಾಟನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾಗಲೇ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ,
ಬಿಡ್ಸಾಗೋಯ್ತು.
ಬಿಡ್ಸಾಯ್ತು.
ಹಾಂ, ಕೋಳಾಗೋಯ್ತು ಇದು.
ಹಾಂ. We then continued towards the village of Hale Godlu. Alright, so we have now come to Hale Godlu village. We are now on the border of the village. So an incident happened here on 7th November where Dandanayaka or Chaudaya Nayak was attacked and killed by a tiger. So we are trying to identify where that place was. So need to ask some villager to help us show us the spot where this incident happened.
ಹುಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇವರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹುಲಿನ
ಹೌದಾ?
ಹಿಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಅವರು ಹುಲಿ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಕರ ಕಟ್ಯಾಕರ ಕರ ತಿಂದದ. ಕರ ತಿಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು CC ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ. ನಮ್ ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ನಾವೇ ಕಿಡಿಯವ್ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರದವ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಹುಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ದಿರೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ದಿರೋದು ಇದು ದಂಡನಾಯಕನ ಹಿಡ್ದಿದ್ ಹುಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಹೌದಾ?
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಕಂದ್ಲಿಕ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ದಿರೋದು, ನಮ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಹಿಡ್ದಿರೋದಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಹುಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅದು ಕತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅದೇನೋ ಸ್ನೇರ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಉರುಳಾಕಿತ್ತು. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹಿಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, ಅದು ಹಿಡಿದಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ 3 ರಾತ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಕಾವಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನೈಟು ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಮೀನ್ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದ್ ನೈಟು ಫುಲ್ ಅದು
ಕೂಗಿತ್ತ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕೂಗ್ತಿತ್ತ.
ರಾತ್ರಿ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ರೈತರು ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಗುಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲಿ
ಏನ್ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಅಂತಾರ ಅದು? ಹೆಸರೇನ್ ಗುಡ್ಡಕ್ಕೆ? Tunchangundi.
So there was a viral video on Instagram where they showed 2 tigers mating on top of a hill. Looks like that seems to be the hill.
Tunchanmunti.
Oh, ಜಮೀನ್ ಮಧ್ಯದ? ಓ ಓಕೆ. ಓ, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕಾಡೊಳಗಲ್ಲ ಅದು? ಹಾಂ. ಓ, seems that hill is surrounded by fields and that seems to be the only patch of forest there. So we got information that that field is like 1 kilometer down this track, but the car will not go. I mean, in quite a few places it will damage the under chassis. So we are all walking to that place now. It's around 1 kilometer walk, I guess. And you can see Nugu backwaters from here.
ಹಿಡಿದ್ರು
ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
ಶಶಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಾನಲ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾವೇ ಲೆಕ್ಕನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ.
We have reached the border of the forest here. That's the elephant trench. And we have railway barricades on the other side. We need to try and find someone to help us show where this incident happened. So one common thing in the places we visited today, Kurnegala and this Hale Godlu, is the incident seemed to have happened right next to the forest. Some flowering plants here. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬಂದಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ತಿಂದ್ಯಾರ? ಹಾಂ. There is no one to show us the place, but looking at all the trash here, I think this is where all the vehicles came. They might have distributed all these ice creams and chocolates. So maybe this was the place where Danda Nayaka or Chaudaya Nayak was attacked and killed by the tiger. Now check this out. This farmland is right next to the forest border. So this is the elephant trench here, and beyond that is forest.
ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂತ ಹೌದಾ?
ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಿಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು.
Okay. So looks like as per the reports, the tiger killed Dandanayaka maybe in the field here, and his body was found in this trench. Apparently this tiger has already been caught, and it looks like the tiger was injured. It had a snare in its neck, and maybe because of that reason it killed this person, and it seems to be a case of man eating. We'll never be sure.
ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏರ್ ಇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಬಂದು ತಿಂದಿರೋದು.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಅದು ಏರ್ ಇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು. Okay, so looks like that was the farmland where Dandanayaka was plowing his land with his bulls, and probably I'm not sure if the tiger attacked the bulls first or Dandanayaka, but whatever the reason, maybe the bulls escaped and it jumped on him. So but it killed him, brought him, and his body was found in this trench right next to the forest here. This incident might have happened relatively early in the morning at around 7:30 or 8 when he was at his field. Probably he was alone. So this case, I'm not very sure if the tiger was incapacitated because it had a snare in its neck, and because of which it targeted a human, or it targeted a cattle again, and maybe Dandanayaka tried to save that, and because of which it jumped on him and killed him instead. So we'll never be sure, but as per the department, they caught this tiger somewhere a little distance from here, maybe 1 or 2 kilometers away from here. They would have tracked it and they caught it, and so that seems to be a tiger which is incapacitated, so they will not relocate that anywhere. Probably that tiger is in Kurgali Rescue Center in Mysore. I'm pretty sure the villagers are quite scared, and hence they are not coming near the lands which are bordering the forest. But like you can see, the border of the forest is completely overgrown with lantana and lot of scrubs, and it is quite impossible to see anything. If a villager working in the field, if he is especially alone, he is definitely vulnerable, because you don't know what's lurking on the other side. So this incident happened on November 7th. Today is November 30th. So it's a pretty fresh incident, because of which I think no villagers are coming to the border. Even the villager I spoke to a little earlier, he said they don't come to the fields after some time in the day. So alright, so it's 1:30 now. We have now covered all the 4 places where this incident happened, and I think that's about it. It's time to return now. The places that we covered today, the Kurnegala and Hale Hegodlu, both were right next to the forest. The Bennegere was actually little inside. It was not close to the forest, but still a tigress had found perfect habitat to raise its young ones, and because of which it had actually come out of the forest. So that was slightly unfortunate. It looks like all these small narrow channels which are outside the forest are, especially if it is overgrown with bushes and it provides a lot of shade, I think it provides a good cover and habitat for tigers and leopards to raise their young ones, because of which the villagers need to be pretty careful in those places. The Badagalpura incident, that also happened little away from the forest, but it seems like there was a combing operation going on, and maybe the villager got too close to the tiger, because of which it jumped on him. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಉಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತ ಜಮೀನು ಉಳ್ತಿದ್ರ
ಜಮೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ.
ಒಂದ್ 2-3 ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೊಡೆದವ್ರು.
ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ
ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಹೊಡೆದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು
ಹುಡುಗ ಇದ್ರಂತ
ಹಾ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಜಮೀನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹುಡುಗ ಇದ್ದು ಅವನು ಕೂಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಓ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ
ಅವ ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ
ಸಡನ್ಲಿ
ಹಾ
ಸಡನ್ಲಿ
ಇವ್ರು
ಬಂದ
ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇವ್ರು ಅವನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ.
ಹ್ಮ್
ಸೌಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರು
ಇದು
ಸೌಂಡ್
ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗರ್ಜನೆ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ.
ಹ್ಮ್
ಅವಾಗ ಅವನು ಅವ್ರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಮಗ ಇಬ್ರು ಜೋಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹಾ
ಅವ್ರು ಅವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಗ
ಹ್ಮ್
ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಬೇರೆ 2 ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಯಾರ.
ಬಂದಾಗ ಟ್ರಂಚ್ ಹತ್ರ ಎಳ್ದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಎಳ್ದಿತ್ತು.
ಓ
ಎಳ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಒಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ
ತಿಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಪಾರ್ಸ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಇದು
ಓ.
ಏನ್ ಮಡಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಈ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಭಾಷೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂದ್ 10 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ
ಬೇವಿನ ಮರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
ಐದು ಮಡಿಕ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದದು.
ಆ ಮರದ ಹತ್ರ ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋದು ಅದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊಡೆದು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಒಂದ್ 2-3 ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಳು ಅವ್ರು.
ದೊಡ್ಡ
ಓ ಹೌದಾ
ನಮ್ಮಂತೆಯವರು 4 ಕಾಳು ಎತ್ತಬೇಕು ಆ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಇದ್ದದ.
ಓ
ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರು.
ಹೈಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ಅಬ್ಬಬ್ಬಾ.
ಇದ್ರು ದೊಡ್ಡ
ಸಣ್ಣಕ್ಕೆ
ಆಳು
ಸಣ್ಣ ಇದ್ರು
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಸೈಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಒಂದು ತತ್ತಿ ಇಪ್ಪ ತೋಳು ಇಪ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟು.
ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದ್ ಹುಡುಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಯ್ತದ ಅಂತ
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಬೇರೆ 2 ಹುಡುಗರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಹುಡುಗರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು ಒಂದ್ 2-3 ಸೀಟ್ ಹೋಗೋ ಗಂಟ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ
ಅಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
ತಿಂದಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಳ್ದು ಪುನಃ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಇವ್ರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಡ
ನೋಡೋದು ಅದು
ಬೆದರಿಸ್ಲೇ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರಂಚಿಂದ ಈಚೆಗೆ ಆ ಒಳಗೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದಿದ್ರೆ
ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಪೀಸ್
ಅದೇನೋ ಅವ್ರ ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ ಪಾಪ ಊಟ ತಂದಾಗ
ಸಿಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕು
ಓ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಹಂಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ
ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಎಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ನೋಡಿದ್ನಂತ.
ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಯ್ತಿದ್ದನ್ನೇ
ಓಹೋ
ಬಿದ್ದಳ ಅದ್ ಬೀಳ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ಗ.
ಅಬ್ಬಬ್ಬ ಅದೇ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಯಾರ.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೋಡೋರು.
ಅಪ್ಪ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಎತ್ಗಳು ಈ ನೇರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಗಡೆ
So yeah, we spoke to a villager here who explained about that unfortunate incident. What's scary to listen to the villager was, he said another villager actually saw the tiger pounce on Dandanayaka and bring him down and then drag him into the forest, basically into the trench. What a witness that would have been. Pretty scary. So the villagers in this part, they say they cannot come to the forest border alone at all. They always have to be with someone or in a group for their own safety. I think the forest department is quite confident that they have captured the right tiger, and maybe it did have a neck injury. Reason I feel forest department would have captured this tiger is they would have used infrared drones. They can track the tiger in the night, and probably I think they also tied a cattle bait after that incident, and the tiger also seemed to have killed that. Maybe they could have tracked that animal in the night using thermal drones, and maybe eventually they found out where it went and they would have captured that tiger. So after visiting all these 4 places since yesterday, I feel couple of incidents from the place I visited yesterday, like Bennegere. It was a mother protecting her cubs, but it was outside the forest. The villager obviously did not have a clue that a tigress was there in that bush. Secondly, in Badgalpura, this tiger or tigress, they say it was a tigress with 2 cubs, and the tigress was chased by forest department. I think they were trying to capture it, and villagers also get involved in that frenzy, and unluckily that person got closer to the tiger and it actually mauled him. So those 2 tigers seem to be female tigers, and the places we visited today, Kurnegala and right now here in Hale Hegodlu, both these places were right next to the forest. And with the number of tigers increasing, I think there is always a risk for villagers in this area, especially who have fields right next to the forest. They should not go to the fields alone. And probably if we need to sum up on what are the lessons learned from this, maybe I think one is the forest department. Probably if there are tigers which are regularly coming to fields, maybe they should consider relocating it to lesser density national parks like maybe Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary or MM Hills or maybe any other place. That's one thing. Especially if it is not a man-eater, it's just entering fields regularly. Maybe that's one option to consider. And secondly, if they come across injured tigers, maybe they need to obviously pick it out from the forest and move to rehabilitation centers. I think the department are already doing this, which is good to know. And on the other hand, the villagers have to be extremely careful going forward. They can never take safety for granted right next to the forest. And on the outset, I don't think there is an easy solution for this, because the forest is vast and there are a lot of villages on the border, and there always will be a risk. And I hope these incidents are reduced in the future. So thanks to my friends Chetan, Dinesh and Shashi who joined me on this effort to try and uncover what really happened in the forest around Nugu. I'll see you guys on another vlog. Until then, take care, see you and goodbye.